Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 3.2% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The euro dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair exploded 1.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
LG Energy Solutions, a major secondary battery maker, said it shifted to the black in the third quarter from a year earlier on the back of robust demand in electric vehicle batteries and a weaker Korean won currency. Credit Suisse Group AG is set to announce a major strategic overhaul after a string of losses and risk management failures have put the embattled Swiss lender under investor scrutiny. Michael Rihani, product lead at mobile payment service provider Cash App, has confirmed that the firm's 40 million users will now be able to use the Bitcoin Lightning Network to send and receive payments instantly.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT, Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT, Australia's export price index at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's unemployment rate will be released at 23:30 GMT, the US gross domestic product annualized at 12:30 GMT, Australia's import price index at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.